Right. Right. Right, Puta. Hi, Boan. So we are meeting grade 9 English medium maths. So today we are moving to the new lesson. Right. Can anyone remember what we discussed last time? Api.
So we completed the first lesson.
Okay, very good. So we completed the first lesson, the number pattern. So now we are moving to the lesson number 2, binary numbers, right? So we will deal with the binary numbers. So once I completed these two lessons, we will do online unit test for both these lessons. Okay. So today we are now moving to the lesson number 2, right? Everyone, you can write down the number binary numbers. This is the topic. Number 2, binary numbers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir asked to do the miscellaneous exercise in the first
Yes.
lesson.
Miscellaneous, right. Okay. Right. So now I can explain if any questions, right? If you have any doubts regarding the miscellaneous questions, I can explain it, right? Anyone, you can ask any questions of the miscellaneous exercise. දෙහන්න බලන්න miscellaneous exercise වල ගැටලු මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කියලා ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් එතකොට අපි එක්සෑම් එක ලඟ වුණාම ඒ කියන්නේ ෆස්ට් ටර්ම් එක ලඟ වුණාම මේ මාසෙම අපි රිවිෂන් ක්ලාස් එකක් කරනවා පේපර් රිවිෂන් එකක්. එතකොට ආයේ මේ මුල් පාඩම් ටික මතක් වෙනවා. එතකොට අපි monthly basis අර recall memory test එකක් කරනවා. ඒක හරහා පරණ lessons ටික මතක් වෙනවා. එතකොට ඔයාලට chat එකට දාන්න පුළුවන් අපි යන අතරේ මොන හරි ගැටලු තියෙන ඒවා තියෙනවා නම් miscellaneous exercise වල සහ number pattern වල අපි discuss කරපු ඒවා ටිකත් ආය recover කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? right. පැහැදිලිනේ? එහෙනම් අපි binary numbers වලට යමු අපි miscellaneous exercise වල ගැටලු තියෙනවා නම් ඒ අතට අහන්න පුළුවන්. right. So who are the newcomers today? Any newcomers? The old comers only. Okay, fine. Right. Okay, Tanumi, you are newcomer, right? You welcome to our class, right? Which school from?
From Asian Grammar School.
Okay, Buddha, right, good. Right, so now we are discussing today binary numbers. Learn these lessons very well, right? So I will give you a very detailed review on the lesson, and then you will be able to catch up any parts of this lesson. And further, if you deal with IT, you know that in IT subject, so in IT subject also we have this binary number system, so you can deal with very nicely with IT if you learn these subjects very well. Binary හොඳට ඉගෙන ගන්න මේක IT වල right පාවිච්චි වෙනවා මේ binary number system because all the computer systems, right, they are running based on these binary number systems. So when you deal with advanced level IT also, you may have this lesson parts, right, binary numbers, right, learn this one very nicely. Okay, right. So normally the number system we are discussing is decimal numbers, right? Decimal numbers, the number system that we are discussing now, right? So if I draw an abacus, right? So this is the abacus, these are the axes, right? So the decimal numbers based on the power of 10. That is why we are telling that decimal numbers. Okay. So the decimal number system based on the power of 10. So we know that this is the 10 to the power 0, right, axis, and here the 10 to the power 1 axis, here 10 to the power 2 axis, 10 to the power 3 axis, 10 to the power 4 axis. But normally in the previous grades, you are not familiar with 10 to the powers axis, but you know that this is 1. The place value of this axis is 1. How it came? 10 to the power 0. Then here you know that place value is 10. Here 100. Right here 1000. Here 10,000. Likewise, it is moving the values. Right. You know that very well. One place value of this axis, last column 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So now you know that it deals with the 10 to the power similarly. Right. So these numbers called decimal numbers. So in decimal numbers, we know what are the digits dealing. One are the deal when a digit sticker. Right. අපි කතා කරන number system එකේ dealing digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the digits dealing. Okay. So this is the decimal numbers. So now binary numbers means their base is 2, right? They are depend upon the base 2. So I can draw the binary number system. So here we can draw the axis, right? See carefully. Right. So now it deals with 2 to the powers, right? Here 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. Right. So now what are the values of 2 to the powers? 2 to the power 0, right? Any 0 power of any base except 0 is 1. So here the answer is 1. And 2 to the power 1 means 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2, 4. Right. Then 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Here 16. Here 32. So this is not ending up here. මෙතනින් ඉවර වෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. මේක run වෙනවා මෙහාට. Right. 2 to the power තව යනවා 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. Likewise, it's running. Okay. But this is part of the binary number system representing on an abacus. Okay, so this is binary numbers. Binary numbers, right? So binary numbers deals with digits. ඒවා දෙකේ base එක දෙකේවා. එහෙනම් යාගේ deals වෙන්නේ 0,1 only. Right? We cannot use 2 in binary numbers as the digit. So you can see their decimal numbers mean base 10. But it cannot deal 10 value, 10 number. So less than 10, all the digits can take. Here, less than 2, all the digits can take. If I take the numbers having base 3, so that means what are the digits deals? All the digits less than 3, like 0, 1, 2. If I take the base 4, then what are the digits deal? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Except that. Okay. Understood? So this is the binary number system and this is the decimal number system that we are normally use, right? So what are the differences here? Here base is 10, all the axis and the place values being generated based on the base 10, but here all the values based on the base 2, right? 2 to the powers are the place value of each axis, right? Starting from 2 to the value 0, right? Now you can sketch out these two figures and then you can have a comparison of these two number system, decimal numbers and binary numbers. And the
Sir,
yes,
in decimal numbers, 0 to 9, no, the number should be. It can't be 10, no?
it can't be 10, right? Because the digits we are discussing 0 to 9, right? In an abacus, you know that in an abacus we cannot represent 10, right? Maximum 9. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Draw this one. Right. Newcomers, you can drop your school's names to me, my chat. From where are you? Right. Finish doing. Okay, we saw the newcomers details. Very good. Fine. Hands up those who finished the writing of binary and decimal numbers. Okay, that is fine, right? So you know that this is only a part of the abacus is drawn. This can convert to the left side, right, up to unlimited number of axes. But remember, starting from 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, likewise, blah, blah, blah. Hari? Hari. Now we are moving to the next question. See there, I will erase this one. Right. Right. So now write down the topics. Converting decimal numbers to binary numbers. එකන් අපි මේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පාවිච්චි කරන numbers කොහොමද binary numbers වලට convert කරන්නේ? All the binary numbers are based on the base 2, right? The 2 base එක which number system එකක් තමයි binary numbers can. So then we will see that how to convert our normal numbers, means the decimal numbers, to the binary numbers. So write down the topic, converting, right, converting decimal numbers to binary numbers. Converting decimal numbers to binary numbers. Okay, fine. Right. See there. So I will write the values of 2 to the powers, right? So you can remember these powers values, right? I starting from 2 to the power 0 is 1. This is an index law. Any base, right, except 0, their 0 power is equal to 1. Like 3 to the power 0, 1. 10 to the power 0, 1. 50 to the power 0, 1. Likewise, any base except 0, the power 0 given as the value 1, right? Okay, now I start with 2 to the power 1, that gives you 2, right? 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2, that gives you 4. 2 to the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, that gives you 8. 2 to the power 4 gives you 16. 2 to the power 5 gives you 32, right? 2 to the power 6 gives you 64, right? Now 2 to the power 7 gives you 128. 2 to the power 8 gives you 256. 2 to the power 9 gives you 512. And 2 to the power 10 gives you 1024. Right. At least remember these 2 to the powers, right? For the exams, even when you are dealing with maths, right? Okay, see the values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and 1024. Remember these powers. Okay, write down these powers in your book. 2 to the power 10 වලට යනකම් power values ටික. These are very important in dealing with the maths. මේක ලියා ගන්න. ලියලා මතකෙ තියාගන්න. තැනින් තැන අපෙන් පිළිවෙලට නෙමෙයි. If somebody asks 2 to the power 5, what is the answer? 32. 2 to the power 7, then 128. 2 to the power 10, 1024. write down these things. හොඳයි අපේ ළමයි සෙට් එක හොඳට වැඩ කරනවා. සමහරු මට එදා සෙෂන් එක ඉවර වෙච්ච ගමන් එක්සර්සයිස් දාලා තිබුණා. ගොඩක් දෙනෙක් එක්සර්සයිස් ඒවල තිබුණා. ඉතින් very good. අන්න එහෙම ආසාවෙන් මැත්ස් ඉගෙන ගන්න. අපේ ටීම් එක ආසාවෙන් මැත්ස් ඉගෙන ගන්න. right. Once you finish, you can raise your hand. Right, by yourself, remember that. Right, if I ask 2 to the power 4, what is the answer? 16. 2 to the power 8, 256. 2 to the power 5, 32. 2 to the power 6, 64. Likewise, refresh your knowledge. Okay, fine. දැන් මේකට මම අලුත් ක්‍රමයක් කියලා දෙන්නේ ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ තියෙන ක්‍රමයක් සහ සිලබස් එකේ තියෙන ක්‍රමයක් කියලා දෙනවා. හැබැයි ඊට වඩා මේ නම්බර්ස් ගොඩ නැගෙන විදිහ මේ ක්‍රමෙන් තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන්. right. සමහර maths concept right අපි යම් ක්‍රමවලට හදනවා. හැබැයි අපි නිකන් ගිරව් වගේ. ගිරව් වගේ කියන්නේ අපිට යමක් කියලා දුන්නාම අපි මේ පාත් එකේ යනවා ගිරව් වගේ. හැබැයි අපි දන්නේ ඇයි මෙහෙම වෙන්නේ. ඇයි මෙහෙම මේක උත්තරේ එන්නේ කියලා. හරි. හැබැයි මම මේ කියන මෙතඩ් එකකින් ඔයාලට තේරෙනවා කොහොමද මේ decimals convert වෙන්නේ binary වලට. If anybody is having issue with Sinhala language, right, tell me, then I can totally discuss with English, but sometimes you may not able to catch up all the English all the time, right? But in some classes I'm conducting total English because some students are there, they cannot even understand any one word in Sinhala, right? If any issues, you can send me a message. Okay, right. So this methods deal how the decimals convert to the binary, and you can identify it nicely with the basis of the creation of this number, right? So this is my example, right? See there. So now in this lesson, when we are dealing with the normal numbers, that means decimal numbers. So in this lesson, you have to specify the base of this number. In decimal number, base is 10. Okay. Now the decimal numbers means base 10 numbers to convert to binary numbers. In binary numbers, what is the base? Base is 2. So when you are writing a number, now in this lesson, if you write 25, you have to mention what is the base. If it is decimal, base is 10. There are two methods. You can write in the top corner, write 10 in words, or you can write 25 base 10 in that manner. But I prefer this method. This is also correct, but I prefer this method because sometimes students are clever, then they are writing 25. In the first instance, they write 10. In later 25, 10, it comes to in that way, and later it comes to in that way. Then that is totally incorrect. Huh? That is why I told you, write better, write in words, then it will not be a misunderstanding. Okay. So base 2, you have to write by 2. So in words, both methods are correct, but be careful when you write the digits 2. Right. Okay. Now I take the example. First one, 25, write base 10. Now I need to convert this number to a decimal, so binary numbers. So I write my place values of binary numbers in this table, right? This is first methods I am teaching. The second methods is in your syllabus, but this methods gives you a clear idea how these numbers are being generated. Okay. So you know that what are the place values of the numbers. So the place value start, this binary place value start with 2 to the power 0. That means 1. Okay. Here 1 is there. Then next one 2 to the power 1, 2. Then the values ටික දාගෙන යනවා. What are they? 1, 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, right? Then 32, right? I again right here 64, right? So if I will extend this table, 65, then 128, and 256, 256. So I have the number now, right? This is the number I have. I have 25 base 10. Okay, see carefully. So we can extend this table as per the given number, right? 25, 10, right? Third බලාගෙන ඉන්න මේ ක්‍රමේ. So 25 is there. So I next take what is the value of place value of 2 below to 25, but very near to 25, but just near to 25, the base value of 2, place value of 2. What are the place value of 2s there? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, likewise. So near to 25, so what is the place value? Very near to 25, the near place value is 16. Why? You cannot take 32, it is more than 25. So we have to take the lesser place value near to 25, very near. So less value is 16. Then I write 1 for 16. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතා මම මේ බලන්න යන්නේ 25 කියන 25 කියන එක හැදිලා තියෙන 2 වල places වල එකතුවකින් තමයි place value වල එකතුවකින් තමයි 25 හැදෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් 25 දානවා අපි 16 වලට 1. We put for 16 1. Then we check what is the balance, remaining balance. 25 subtract 16. Then what is the answer? Right, 25 subtract 16 means 9 balance is there. 9 balance. So now we have to place nines. Where? For nines, what is the lesser value of place value is 8. 9 දාන්න යන්නේ. 9 වලට වඩා අඩු place 8 place value එක කවුද මේක 8. Now 8 වලට 1 එකක් දානවා. So 9 was there. Now we place 8. So what is the balance now? 1 is balance. 9 subtract 8, 1. So 1 is there, place value. We put 1 here. Okay, now these two, no values been entered, means 0. No 2s, no 4s. So final answer is what? You can write these together. 1 1 0 0 1, 1 1 0 0 1, base is 2. Hands up those who got understood this one. Right.
Sir?
Oh.
In ones place, why did you put 1?
Because here we put 16, then 8, 24, right? Then for 25, what is the balance now? We have 1 balance. So to take 1 is there. So we put 1.
So we can't put zeros for 32 and all. We are going only in between 16 and 1.
Yeah, because in a number, beginning zeros will not be written, right? Because somebody will say that 0 0 0 0, but numbers start with the not 0, right? Starting digit shall be except 0 values, right? We are not putting zeros to the front.
So while we take 25, we should take a less number which has less value than 25. We can't take more value than 25.
We can take any value, okay? We can take any value and we will check how to deal with that one. Huh?
Then we can't take 32.
We can't take 32. We
Yeah.
can take 32. Imagine if I take 32, exactly 32, 1 matching. So others are all zeros. I will deal with several examples. Then you can raise your questions if any issues. Huh? Right. I will move to another example. See there. So next example I take 40 10. Help me my students. 40 තමයි දැන් අපි ගන්නෙ කොහොමද binary convert කරන්නේ කියන්නේ එහෙනම් 40 වලට අඩු right what is the place value less than 40 is 32 එහෙනම් මේවට දැම්මොත් දාන්න බෑනේ 64 කියන්නේ 40 ට වැඩි right we put 32 1 ඔන්න බලාගෙන ඉන්න හැමෝම දැන් then 40 subtract 32 ඉතින් 40න් 32ක් මෙතෙන්ට ගියා so what is the remaining 8 8 දාන්න සුදුසුම විදිය බලනවා කෙලින්ම 8 කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා so 8 1 so I put 8 1 then all others 0 so here 0 here 0 here 0 here 0 understood everyone right next I move to the 82 82 right 82 base 10 right tell everyone so which place value we refer 82 near to 82 but lesser value what is that 64
64.
we cannot go 1 to 8 because it's more than 82 so we put 1 for 64 now check what is the balance from 82 subtract 64 සුද්දකින් 64ක් subtract කරන්න එතකොට කීය දෙන්නේ 12න් 4ක් 8යි 7න් 6ක් 1යි 18 balance right 18 balance balance එක හොයා ගන්න ඕන 82කින් 64ක් දැම්මට පස්සේ ඉතුරු කීයද 82 subtract 64 right it gives you 18 18 වලට අඩු place value එක බලනවා so what is the reference 16 එන 16 වලට 1 දැම්මා 18 තිබුණා now 16 been entered right then what is the balance 2 so 2 to be entered here 1 when you add up all these three figures then that shall gives 82 yes fine 64 plus 16 plus 2 is given as 82 so what we did here we segregated 84 into the place values of 2 so the sum of these all shall be given the 82 okay now I put others 0 got it right if any issues you can ask so I put now 100 to the base 10 see there 100 so what value refer again 64 below 100 the place value of 2 is this one 1 is there now see there from 100 I subtract 64 then what is the answer 36 36 is the balance for 32 I have to put 1 36ක් ඉතුරු වුණානේ 36න් 32ක් මෙතෙන්ට දැම්මා තව කීයද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ 4 එහෙනම් 4 ඩීල් කරන්න පුළුවන් මෙතෙන්ට මෙතන 1 so all others 0 ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න පුළුවන් right next I will take 7 base 10 7 then බලන්න කවුද හැමෝම කියන්නේ 7 වලට අඩු place value එක කවුද 2 to the powers එන 4 1 right then from 7 subtract 4 that is 3 so 3 ට වඩා අඩු place value එක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ළඟ එකට එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ 2 එකක් දැම්මා ඒතර 3 වලින් 2 ගියාම 1 ඉතුරු වෙනවා 1 කියන්නේ 1 මෙතන එහෙනම් 7 deals with 1 1 1 so you can write the answer here 1 0 1 0 0 0 base 2 here 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 base 2 here 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 base 2 and here 1 1 1 base 2 මේ ක්‍රමයට වඩා ලීසිම ක්‍රමේ සිලබස් එකේ තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි හැමෝම ඒක දන්නවා. හැබැයි ඒක කරද්දි ළමයින්ට තේරෙන්නේ ඇයි මෙහෙම අපි කරන්නේ? ඇයි කොහොමද මේක එන්නේ කියලා. හැබැයි මේ ක්‍රමෙන් පුතා අපිට තේරෙනවා මේකේ බේස් එක මේ 10 වලින් තියෙන එක 2 to the powers වලට බෙදලා දෙන එක තමයි මෙතනින් කරන්නේ. මේකේ උත්තරේ එන විදියට බෙදලා දෙනවා. right. එහෙනම් මේ ටේබල් එක ඇඳ ගන්න. ඔයාලටත් මම එක්සයිස් එකක් දාන්නම්. 52 10 එක කරන්න ඊළඟට 100 150 base 10 ඊළඟට පොඩි එකකුත් දාන්න 36 base 10 right and the ගන්න table එක fully you can
Sir,
yes
So when we take 25, we have to take a number which is less than 25. That should be near to 25, no?
Very good. Yes.
Okay,
Less
sir.
than number near to 25. We cannot take more than number. එතකොට අපිට තේරෙනවා we can identify that more than 25 means 25 cannot be built up. Right. right. එතකන් පුතා මේ ටේබල් එක තාම වැදගත් මේ ක්‍රමය. මේක සිලබස් එකේ ඔයාලට කියලා දීලා නැහැ. හැබැයි හැදෙන විදිහ මේකයි binaries. Everyone, are you okay with the methods? Hands up those who are okay with this method. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න පුතා මේක ඔයාලගේ පන්ති මගේ ක්ලාස් එක නෙමෙයි මේක. This is yours class. You can ask any questions anytime until you clearly identify it.
So I can't see the last number. Can you say, please?
That is 36, huh? 36.
Okay.
36, last one. 36. Base 10. Once you complete it, you can raise your hand. complete this one. If any doubts, you can ask in the class. Right. You can send me the answers for 52, 150, and 36. බලමු අපි කවුද ගේම ගොඩ දාලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. So I will erase the top part. Right. See there. So I will take now 52 base 10, 52 base 10, then 150 base 10, and here 36 base 10. Right. 52. What is the near place value? Lesser near place value is 32. Then I put 32 1. Right. Then what we do? From 52 subtract 32. Then 220. 20 is the balance. 20. Then balance 20 volt langa adukena. Right. 16. Then 4 is balance again. From 20 subtract 16. 4. 4 balance mean 4 exactly 1. So other 0. Right. So what is the answer? 110 base 2. Base 2. Hands up those who got the answer. 110100. Right. Great. Well done. Right. Then 150. How to deal with that? So I take near to 150 lesser place value of 2. So that gives you 128. I put 1. Okay. Then what is the balance from 150 subtract 128? Then balance is 22. Balance is 22. So below 22, lesser place value is 16. That would be 22 subtract 16. Then what is the balance? 6 balance. So 6 near to 6 lesser value is 4. Put 1. Then 6 subtract 4 gain 2 balance. 2 given by these 2. So all others in between that gives zeros. So that gives you 100101110 base to be indicated. That's it. That is compulsory. Hands up those who got the answer. Right. Well done. Right. Now we are dealing with the last questions. 36. Tell me near to 36, what is the base value? 32. 1. Then 36 subtract 32 means only 4 balance. 4 balance deal with this one. So others are all zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is the answer? 100,100 base is 2. Right. Hands up those who got the answer. Right, that's it. So I think that is clear to everyone. So you can deal whatever questions related to that, okay, by this method. This is the first method, but it's not in your syllabus, but this is how the number system based, okay, right. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. Yes, we can take the answer, however. Right, now we are dealing with the second method. This is called the division method. Write down the topic. Right, the method 2, division method. This is the most popular method. And everybody knows this method, division method. Right. The division method also deal with that concept, but we cannot link that to concept. This is how this been generated. But in that method also and division method, we can link when dividing this much and take the remaining likewise. But that method is very clear to us, right? Rather than this is easier to, but this is not clear why we are putting these remainders and how this been happen, right? Okay, fine. Now I take the same example, 25 base 10, right? Then what I have to do, so I am going to convert to this binary. Binary means base 2. So what I do, I divide this number starting right from 2. Right, so I am going to divide this number by 2. Right, then in this way I divide. For 25, how many 2's? 12. So 2 into 12, 24. Then I have to write what is the remainder. Here the important part is the remainder, how much? 2 into 12, 24. Then 1 remainder. So you write the remainder in front of that. Then I write 2, right, for 12, 6. So 2, 6, 12, exactly 6. So no remainder means 0 remainder. Then I again divide 2, 2, 4, 6, 3. So 0 remainder, no remainder, exactly divisible. Then for 3, I again see 2, 1, 2. From 3 subtract 2, there is 1 remainder. 2, 1, then 1 remainder. Then I can divide by again 2, right? Then for 1, 0 twos, but 1 remainder. Okay, this is the divisible method. Now you can write the remainders to the order starting here to here, because we will not write the 0, the remainders only, because in front of a number we do not write the 0. So you can now write in this manner the remainders together. Now I write 25, 10 equal, now here 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. Anna Puta Krami. Right? Understood? Right. Second example, I take 48 base 10 to convert to the base 2. How I deal? I just divide by 2 all the values. 224. How much? 0 remainder. 212. Key the remainder 0. Right. 2 6. Right. 0 remainder. 2 3. 0 remainder. 2 1. 1 remainder. Then 2 0. 1 remainder. Right. Now I can write in that manner, right? Starting from here to here, right? So now I can say that 48 base 10 is equal 1 1 0 0 0 0, right? Base is 2. Okay, Putta, now you can write these two examples. Liagan. If any doubts, you can ask.
Sir,
Yes.
so while we do your method in the exam, we have to put the table and do, right?
No, this is the standard way, right? Division method is the acceptable way, and in the syllabus, this method is there.
So we can't do your method.
Yeah, we can do, but better deal with this method, because sometimes in schools they will not use marks, but all methods are correct.
To find whether our answer is correct, we can use that method, no?
Yeah, fine. And that methods gives you the thinking ability, but here just like a robot dividing and taking the zeros, but you haven't idea how this been born. That's why I taught that one. Once you finish, you can raise your hand. Right, those who completed, they can deal with these questions, right? Convert these to the binary. One hundred, then fourth, 84, fifth, 250, then 512. Right, these are 4 questions. You can drop the answers to the chat even. Right, these are the 4 questions we have to do, with use of this division method. Once you finish, you can drop the answers. 400. What is the answer? Then 84. Right, I will this one, and we will move to the right. බලන්න division method එක බය නැතුව divide කරන්න දෙකෙන් බෙදෙන හැටි නම් දන්නවනේ නේද? Right. 100 සමහරවිට දෙකෙන් බෙදා ගන්නත් බැරි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right. 2 right base 10. Now divide by 2 and remainder is the important one. 250, then 0 remainder. 225, 0 remainder. 212, 1 remainder. 26, 0 remainder. 23, 0 remainder. 21, 1 remainder. Right. 20, 1 remainder. Right. Now you can write in this direction the remainders together. So now you can write 100 to the base 10 equal, right? 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 base 2. Hands up those who got the answer. Very good. We got the Manuga's answers. Well done. Right. Now, next I deal with 84. You can see the 84. 84 divide by 2. I will divide by 2. Here 2, 4, 2, 2. Then 0 remainder. 2, 2, 2, 1. 0 remainder. 2, 10, 1 remainder. 2, 5, 0 remainder. 2, 2, 1 remainder, 2, 1, 0 remainder, 2, 0, 1 remainder. Now write these remainders into that order. So what is the answer? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Base is 2. Base to be written always. Hands up those who got the answer. Well done. Right. හරිනේ. එහෙනම් අපි යමු third එකට 250. See, they are now 250. So I'm starting the division by 2. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. Right? 0 remainder. 2, 6, 2, 2, 1 remainder. Right? 2, 3, 1, 0 remainder. 2, 15, 1 remainder. 2, 7, 1 remainder. 2, 3, 1 remainder. 2, 1, 1 remainder. 2, 0, 1 remainder. Now you can write in this order from bottom to top. Right. So the answer is now 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2. Right. Hands up those who got the answer. Right. Well done. මාලුකු දෙයක් නෑ පුතා. හරි lazy. Right. මොකද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? Division method. Right. Divide කරගෙන ගියා. Remainders ටික ඉස්සරහින් ගත්තා. එච්චරයි. Right. Next, we will move to the last one. Last one is the tricky one. Right. All have been divisible, right, without remainder except the last one. Huh? Right. So 512, because you know that that is a power of 2 exactly. Right. So 2, 2, 2, 5, 6, 0 remainder. 2, 128, 0 remainder. 2, 64, 0 remainder. 2, 32, 0 remainder. 2, 16, 0 remainder. 2, 8, 0 remainder. 2, 4, 0 remainder. 2, 2, 0 remainder. 2, 1, 0 remainder. 2, 0, 1 remainder. Analasana. Are so you have to write in this order, right? Starting here, right? So now you can write 512 to the base 2, 10 equal. So what are they? Starting here, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Base is 2. Okay, are you okay, everyone? Are you okay with the converting of binary to the, sorry, decimal to the binary? Everyone okay? Right. Right. So I will erase it. In grade 9, Puta, very important, right? So we have a big syllabus and we have to cover up all the lessons, right? Some lessons are linked with grade 10 and grade 11, right? And some are linked with all level exams. So grade 9 is a very important year rather than the 6, 7, 8. So learn the concepts very well. Right? If you have any doubts, any questions in your textbook or whatever, you can ask me, right? So this is your class. Take the maximum benefits of it, right? හරි. එහෙනම් දැන් අපි යනවා. Now we are moving to the reverse, right? ඉස්සලා front එකට ගියේ. දැන් reverse එකට යනවා. What is the reverse? Binary to decimal, right? Okay, write down the topic. Converting binary numbers to decimal numbers. Write down the topic. Okay, now we are discussing binary numbers to the decimal numbers, right? This is very easy. I will show you the methods. Imagine 1 0 1 0. This is base 2, right? Now you have to convert. This is as per the base 10. Decimal mean base 10. So here the way is giving place values to the number. So we know that here 2 to the power 0, here 2 to the power 1, here 2 to the power 2, here 2 to the power 2, sorry 3, 1 0 1 2 3. So that indicates 2 to the power 3 1, 2 to the power 2's zeros are there, 2 to the power 1 1 value, 2 to the power 0 0. So you have to give this place value and add all these together. 2 to the power 3 means what? You know that 2 to the power 3 is 1 time. Addition, here 2 to the power 2's nothing, zeros, plus here 2 to the power 1 1, plus 2 to the power zeros 0. Right. Now you know 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 into 1, plus here 4 into 0. 2 to the power 1 means 2 into 1, plus 2 to the power 0 is 1 into 0. Now you can add up 8 into 1, 8, plus 4 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 1, 2, plus here 0. Now you can add up all the things together. 8 plus 2, 10. That is base 10. Understood? This is the formal way, but then I will explain you short way of doing it and taking the answer. Okay. This first example. The second one, imagine 1 1 1 0 1 0. Right. So write the place value on top. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. So I now write 2 to the power 5 is 1. 2 to the power 5 is 1. Okay. Then 2 to the power 4 is 1. Addition. 2 to the power 4 is 1. Addition. 2 to the power 3 is 1. Addition. 2 to the power 2 is 0. Addition. 2 to the power 1 ones, 2 to the power 1 ones, plus 2 to the power 0 zeros. Now adding together. 2 to the power 5 means 32. 32 1 plus 2 to the power 4 means 16 1. Here 8 1. Here 4 0. Here 2 1 plus here 1 0. Okay. Now you can add up 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. Now add up all the things together. 18 1 remaining 58. 58 base 10. Right. Write down. ඊට පස්සේ මම කෙටි ක්‍රමයේ කියලා දෙන්නම් බය වෙන්න එපා මේකට වඩා ලීසියෙන්ම හදන්න පුළුවන් මේක තමයි formal way එක build up වෙන එක මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ 2 to the powers 2 to the powers are given to each numbers and add all these together then it gives you the binary number ඉස්සෙල්ලා දුන්නේ මෙයා බෙදලා දුන්නානේ 2 to the powers වලට ඒ බෙදලා දුන්නු ටික add කරලා ගන්නවා එනවා value එක complete that one Finished writing? You can raise your hand. Okay, fine. Right now, I will tell you the easiest way, same way, but rather than that, you can take the answer directly. Okay. This is how you deal. See there, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, base 2. Now I write on the top the place values. Starting 1, not 2. 1, then 2. I bit separate the number. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Imagine this is the number base 2. So I write on the top place values starting 1 there, then here 2, here 4, then here 8, then here 16, here 32. Right. I write on the tops. So you know that if any 0 digits are there, although it is having a place value, but the value represent by that becomes 0 because 4 into 0, 0. So whenever you see such zeros, you can disregard it. ඔයාට ඒක නොසලකා හරින්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට zeros නැති වේවට විතරයි values එන්නේ. So how you deal this one? So 32 ones. So you write 32. Okay. Then here 16 1. 16 ලියනවා පහලට. So 8 1. So 8. And here nothing. So zeros. 4 into 0, 0. So you will not write it. Then 2 into 1, 2s. Right. And here 1 ones. So ones. So you can add up same methods. But this is how you deal it. Now you can add 6 plus 2, 8. 8, 8, 16. 16 to 18 plus 1, 19. Right. 1 is remaining. 4, 5. So that gives you 59 base 10. Right. Padily? Right. This is how you deal. First example. Okay. Second example, see there. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Base 2. So give the place value on the tops. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. දැන් බලන්න කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා. Right. The zeros අපිට අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. How to write 32 එකක් තියෙනවා. So 32 and we have no 16. එතකොට එක ලියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. 8 ඒවා එකයි. මෙතන 0 වැඩක් නැහැ. ආය 2 ඒවා එකයි. අතනත් නැහැ. එහෙනම් මේ ටික ඇඩ් කරන්න 32 plus 8 40 40 plus 2 42 10. අන්න lazy. Right. හදාගන්න මේ method එකක්.
Sir,
Yes.
here we don't need to multiply because it's 1, no? So we can directly put it.
Yes. Only one maximum value one. No, we are dealing just 32. One means 32. 16. Likewise, the place value directly take. If zero is there, you can disregard it. So by this method, you can deal with these questions. Right, you have three questions. You can convert them. Right. Hands up those who finished. Right, we will check the answers. Here, right, we can write top 1, 2, right, 4, right, 8, 16, 32. Then you can write 32's 1, then 16, then 4, then 2. Right, you can add up all these. Right, zeros you disregard it. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. 1 is remaining, 54. 54 base 10. Hands up those who got the answer. For first one, 54. Well done. Okay. Now we are dealing with the next one. Right. So the pliyaganyamu 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Right. Hardly see then, eh? So how 128 zeros ain karno ungi wadak ne value ekak ne ungi. Right. So now we take 32. Right. Then 16. Right. Then 8. Right. Then 2 and 1. So just start giving place values to each number. 16 plus 8 24 plus 2 26 plus 1 27. 2 is remaining. 8, right? 187 base 10. Hands up those who got the answer 187. Right. Nimay api lamay. Taran daksyo tika kinye. Right. Any questions you can ask? Okay, that is fine. Now we are moving to the next part. One, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Right. On the top right, the place values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 මේක නිකන් ද මතක තියාගන්න. Right. Then 64 ඒවා එකයි අනිත් ඒවා වැඩක් නෑ. ඒවා ගන්නෙ නෑ මේ. Right. Place value එක තිබුණාට they are not representing a value. Right. Remember that word. So 4, 1 is there. Nothing is. So 64 plus 4, 68 base 10. Hands up those who got the answer 68. Yes. Very good. ඔන්න කම්පිටිෂන් එකක් තියෙනවාද right questions පහයි මේ දක්වා ඉගෙන ගත්තු වගේ right එතකොට ඒ questions පහ කරලා උත්තර දාන්න ඕනේ ලකුණු 50ක් දෙනවා right ඉක්මනින්ම ලියාගමු right we will write quickly.
Sir, should we write in the book?
Yes, you have to write. First one, convert 48, 10 to a binary number. This is first question. Second, express 72 base 10 as a binary number. Question number 3. Convert as a decimal number. Show that this one is less than this one. Right, these are the 5 questions. Right, so these are the 5 questions of the lessons that we learned today. Right. ලියාගන්න පුතා බලන්න අද කරපු lesson එක ඕකේ නම් මේ ප්‍රශ්න ටිකට answers දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Once you completed, tell me, then we will discuss the answers. Right. Did you finish the questions?
So can you give me 5 minutes?
Okay. Right. Put that. Right. You can send me these answers to my WhatsApp. Right. Then I will give you marks individually. Right. Here we have Sanuli, Damsadi, Menuli, Yasara, Ramisha, Dinara, Jeenat, and Hasindi, Manuga, and Sandalu, right? So I can determine, right, whether you have done these 5 questions correctly or not. You can send me the answers, right, mm, within these 2 days, right? Better if you can send the answers tonight, okay, to my WhatsApp. Then I will check and give you marks, okay? Try for that one. හරිද පුතේ රයිට් මේ ප්‍රශ්න පහේ උත්තර ටික මට ඉන්ඩිවිජුවලි දාන්න. ඒතකොට මට ගේන් කරන්න පුළුවන්. අද දවසේ මේ දක්වා මේ කොටසේ ඉගෙන ගත්ත දේ ඔයාලට ක්ලියර්ද අඩුපාඩු මොනවද කියන එක. මේ ගාන ටිකක් විතර වෙනස්. හැබැයි ටිකක් හිතන්න. හැම වෙලේම අපි නිකන් හිතන මට්ටමේ ගණන් වලට යන්න ඕනේ. මට WhatsApp එකට හැමෝම එහෙනම් ගණන් ටික දාන්න. මොකද ඊළඟ ක්ලාස් එක දැන් ස්ටාර්ට් වෙන්න වෙනවා. ලින්ක් එක යවනවා. එහෙනම් පුතේ අපි next day එකේ ඊළඟ දවසේ අපි මුණ ගැහෙමු මේක බයිනරි වල වැදගත්ම කොටස ඇඩිෂන් ඇන්ඩ් සබ්ට්‍රැක්ෂන් අමාරුම කොටස තියෙන්නේ කට් කරගන්න එපා සෙෂන් එක හැමෝම සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න අලුත් යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවා නම් එයාලටත් පණිවිඩය දෙන්න මුලදීම ක්ලාස් එකට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න රයිට් එහෙනම් පුතේ අපි ලබන සතිය මුණ ගැහෙනවා මොකද අද වැඩේ මේක මට දාන්න ඕනේ WhatsApp එකට මම ලකුණු දෙනවා ඉන්ඩිවිජුවලි හැමෝටම 50 වලින් කීයද කියලා right එහෙනම් ආයිබෝන් හැමෝටම we will meet by next Tuesday same times thank you very much my students
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Right, sir.